Why does everybody buy bread when a hurricane coming? Let's talk about the psychology behind panic buying. It's not just about bread, it's about control. When disaster is coming, people feel powerless. So they try to take control of something. Buying food gives the brain a false sense of security. And why bread? It's cheap, fills your belly, and doesn't need electricity to eat. Just open and eat. It also stores well for a couple of days. But here's the twist. The more people buy, the more others feel like they need to rush too. That's called herd mentality. People don't want to be left behind, so they copy what everyone else is doing, even if it doesn't make full sense. That's why the shelves clear out. It's not just fear, it's psychology. So next time you see the supermarket full, just know it's human nature reacting to fear. Follow for more powerful facts they never teach you.